the center is locked, the front is locked, and then the rear is just an open. So it's kind of cool. It just drives like a rally kind of style car.
It's super sick.
Where you can like swing it really easily.
Wait, what happened? Beer pop. So you want one of these fifth scales? Not one of these imprezas. They haven't made these in 10 years. If you want an MCD, visit Cardinalracing.ca. Also, do you want to convert your fifth scale to electric? If you do, visit Cardinal. If you got an MCD, he's got a kit. And then if you need the motor and ESC and you don't want to break the bank, hobbywingdirect.com has a wicked combo right now. It's just shy of $400, and comes with that monster motor and that huge ESC. It's like a 200 amp ESC. It'll do 8S, which is all you need. It really is all you need. Yeah. Also, stay tuned. The E30 Drift Wagon project is coming. The next episode will also have a giveaway, thanks to hobbywingdirect.com. So check out hobbywingdirect.com if you want to support those who support kpopRC. If you need ESCs, if you need motors, they got you covered. So just go there, because there's a discount code. It's a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer. They ship fast. You get a bunch off with the discount code kpopRC. And they got wicked stuff. If you like what we do here at kpopRC, don't forget to sub up. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think about the electric. You know, it's easy to go back to gas, so. But man, that electric power is just like instant torque. Anyway, whatever, K-pop out.